This video will show you top 5 places to visit in Poland and other more suggestions at the end of the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and comment your country in the comment box below so that we can make videos about your country in the future. Poland is a country located in Central Europe. It is one of the largest countries in the region and has a population of over 38 million people. Poland shares boundaries with 6 countries and the economy is one of the largest in the Central Europe, characterized by industries such as manufacturing, agriculture and tourism. These suggestions are based on our research and trip to Poland. Here are some places you would love to visit. 1. Białowieża Forest. It is a unique woodland located in border of Poland and Belarus. It is considered one of the last and largest remaining parts of the forest that once covered much of Europe. This forest is home to a range of plants and animal species, including endangered ones. It is most famous for its population of European bison, the continent's heaviest land animal. This forest is a great place to check out to explore more experience in Poland. 2. Malbork Castle. It is known as the castle of the Teutonic Order. It is located in the town of Malbork in the northern Poland. It is one of the largest brick castles in the world. Constructions began in 1274 by the Teutonic Knights and played a significant role in the Teutonic Order expansion in Eastern Europe. In the 15th century, the castle became the seat of Polish kings and underwent further expansion and renovations. Today, Malbork Castle stands as a tourist attraction and museum, providing visitors with an experience of medieval era. 3. Warsaw. Warsaw is a capital and largest city of Poland, located in the eastern part of the country. Warsaw is a vibrant and modern city that blends its historic part with architecture and amenities. The city's skyline is dominated by skyscrapers, including the Palace of Culture and Science, which is the tallest building in Poland. The Polish National Museum is just one example of the city's cultural institution. Warsaw also hosts various festivals and events throughout the year, like Polish traditions and tourism. 4. Wieliczka Salt Mine. Located just few miles outside the city of Kraków, the salt mine dated back to the 13th century and it has been in operation for over 700 years. It is one of the oldest and most renowned salt mine in the world. One of the impressive features of the mine is its sculptures and carvings, all crafted by generations of miners. This remarkable work of art showcases the creativity of the miners who turned the salt deposit into breathtaking underground masterpiece. Visitors to the salt mine can explore a portion of the mine on guided tours, which provide insight into the mining process and cultural significance of the site. 5. Tarun. Tarun is a historic city located in northern Poland, situated in the banks of the Vistula River. The city old town is a major attraction, including the Tarun Cathedral and its town hall with its iconic leaning tower. The Tarun is also famous for its gingerbread, which has been produced in the city for centuries. Visitors can learn about the traditional gingerbread making process at the Living Museum of Gingerbread. Tarun is the most visited city for everyone exploring Poland. Of course, there are other places to visit in Poland and it all depends on the side you want to visit and days you spend in this amazing city. If you love this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.